Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your phone keeps going into boot menu or recovery mode every time you try to turn it off or restart it, this can be very frustrating. Many users think this is a serious software problem. But in most cases, the reason is very simple. This usually happens because the volume buttons are faulty. Most of the time, the volume button or the volume button rubber is broken or stuck. When you press the power button together with a volume button, the phone automatically opens boot menu. If the phone detects a pressed volume button by mistake, it will keep entering boot menu. First, remove your phone cover. Sometimes thick or tight covers press the volume button continuously. Now press the volume up and volume down buttons multiple times. Check if any button feels hard, loose, or stuck. If a button does not click properly, the internal rubber may be damaged. This is very common on older phones or phones that have fallen. Also check if the volume changes by itself without touching the button. This is another sign of a faulty volume key. Restart the phone once and observe its behavior. If the phone still goes into boot menu, the issue is hardware related. This is not caused by an app or system update. A button repair or replacement is usually required to fully fix it. If this explanation helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone troubleshooting solutions.